The unidentified monsters of your fitness journey. Friends, there is something common between you and me, that we all want to be fit, and we all know that how the great feeling we have whenever we do our exercise. But because of the some bad habits, or because of the some bad beliefs, we are not able to achieve the fitness level which we want in our life. In this very video I will be covering the three monsters which you need to defeat if you want to be fit for your lifetime: health, happiness, immunity, and to have great body. This is my goal for every client, for everybody.
This is how legends are made.
Hi, my name is Bhupendra and I'm an online fitness coach. I'm a lifestyle expert and I'm on the mission to transform 100,000 working class people of India into happy, healthy, immune, and to have a great body. That's why I have created a course known as 6 week challenge, which usually impact on your habits and which will give you a workout routine and a diet routine which you can follow for your lifetime. Friends, I still remember that around 4 years back, on that time I was really struggling to achieve my fitness. At times I used to go to my gym, at times I used to take a break from my gym. And the common thing between you and me is this, that we have been doing dieting since long. We have been eating less, we have been killing our heart, we have been feeling lethargic for a long time. But the fact is this, that once a diet is not working on you, then you need to stop that dieting and you need to consume what is your body requirement. If your body requirement is a 3000 calorie, then you must consume 3000 calorie. But I have seen many of the people that they have been doing dieting since years, which is not a right way. And exactly this is what I do in my 6 week, that where only for the 6 weeks you need to do the dieting, and after that I will give you a maintenance schedule which you need to maintain for the rest of your life. Isn't it is great that you don't need to diet in your life and you will get the all the knowledge about the dieting. Friends, there are a few monsters which I want to discuss in this video. The number one monster in your fitness journey is you're afraid about the protein. I have seen many people that they are scared of protein because whenever a kidney got damaged, whenever a kidney get damages, on that time a doctor suggests to us that now stop consuming protein. Yes, because protein has some of the amino acids like the creatine, which usually kidney does not react on it at the time of kidney damage. It is a uh, it is a protein which usually made by our body, our cell, our organs automatically. We do not require creatine from outside. But if we are only doing hard workout and if you want to build some muscles, on that time there is a good source of protein which is known as creatine monohydrate, which increase the level of creatine. But nowhere this thing is written that protein is damaging your kidney. The food which you need to stop on that time once your kidney is damaged is protein, because your body does not react on the creatine monohydrate. But nowhere is this thing is written that protein is damaging your kidney. Although the biggest fact which I want to tell to you, the two things which really damages the kidney, one is the sugar or diabetic person, and the another one who has the problem of high blood pressure. So, my dear friends, if you are listening till now, if you are not afraid of consuming a tea in your life along with sugar, then you should not be afraid consuming of the protein like the whey protein source in your life. So, friends, what kind of a belief you have? So, check your belief and check the status of your health and your tummy. Then you will find out the right answers which I want to tell to you. So, don't be afraid of a protein. Even if a person who, if he is able to consume at the time of bodybuilding around 5 gram of protein per pound of body weight, on even on that time also he was not facing any problem. So that much kind of a lab results are already in the market. And recently in my upcoming videos, I'm going to show you that how my client has tested his report and he was on the muscle building and how his kidney is really fine and how charming he looks now once he started consuming protein after my suggestion. The second myth is this, that we feel laziness at the time of workout. Friends, it's a fact. Your diet and your workout, they both play vital role. If you don't have the right knowledge of the diet, then your workout is not going to make impact the way you want in your body. That's why there must be a science of a diet. Once the diet is good, then there should be no problem in your workouts. You should not start with the lifting the 100 kg or 200 kg of the weightlifting, and you should not just only run and run on the treadmills. There is a way of doing the workout. Take a long deep breath, and after that, just start building a good habit of going into the gym or any kind of a workout routine in your life. Start small and be consistent. Your laziness is the answer. Your laziness is a temporary condition of your body. Once your body will come into the routine, then you will find out that how active you feel. Try not to do the hard workouts on your very first day. Try not to do any workouts without warming up. Give at least 10 minutes for the warming up. Open your joints, learn the warm up workouts first, and after that, apply those warm up workouts in your life. Even if you are not able to do any kind of a workout, the warm up workout is the one thing which you can do at your home also. But many of the people, because of the poor mindset, they don't even apply the simple warm up workouts in their life on everyday basis. You just need to open your joints and nothing else. Friends, the third big monster that you expect really high from first to second week. I have seen many people that for the first 15 days, if they are on their weight loss journey or if they are doing workout for the first time, they lose 2 kgs in just 15 days, and after that their weight gets stuck. It happens because of whatever kind of a water level we have and whatever kind of a glycogen level we have, it has been decreased out of the body, but the fat is still there, and you are not doing any kind of a workout. Now you are blaming on your weighing machine that why my weight is not going down. But the fact is this, that you have lost the water of your body, not the fat. So don't push yourself hard. You don't need to become the Bhag Milka Bhag. You just need to become a very normal person. Expect yourself in a way. Reducing a half an kg of a weight every weekly on your own basis is a really good startup for you. Beside all that, if you are having a good muscles, then the metabolism of your body will become double, because a fat requires around a fat consumes utilize only 1 calorie, but a muscle utilize twice more than a fat of the calorie requirement to survive. That's why, my friend, if you are having a muscle, then there is a high chances that your body is not going to preserve energy in the form of fats in your body, because it is going to be utilized by your muscles. So that's why be practical and be knowledgeable and have some knowledge about the fitness. Those people who has their dream physique, they all have the good knowledge about this. And the muscle building is also a good thing to keep your fat away forever from your life. Even if you have seen like the athletics like the Usain Bolt, he has also having a good muscularity. That's why he is able to run that much fast. Hopefully, friends, all these things has been clear to you. Now you can start your health journey. Friends, if you still have any kind of a confusion, then you can join my 6-week challenge of weight loss, in which I will be helping you out that how you can make your own diet as per my instruction with a particular food group as per your taste, and how to do the weight loss exercises which you can keep it with yourself forever, and you can apply the science in your gym and your home easily. If anything is connecting with you, then feel free to book an appointment with me. Link I have given you in the description. Even you can also download my ebook, and you can also connect with me in my social links like in my Facebook group. For a very limited period of time, I have opened for all. This is your fitness friend Bhupendra signing out for now, and I know that you all can do it. You all just need to know your fitness and be happy without any reason.